Hey guys, it's me, the Hardheadmario, and today we're in some ASMR. But this time it's a highly requested video from the Woodywood fans. Hardheadmario walking in the woods. Look, as you can see. I'm walking in the woods now. Look, you see it? You see it? You see it? The tree? Wow. As you can see, this is the video to the bridge. Now look, here we go. Now, you can also take another path, which is this way. I'll read it. I'm not gonna read the whole thing, but look. Swan Creek's floodplain and oxbows. But that's the other path, which I'll show you in a minute. But we're gonna be walking now. That's the path right there, y'all. It leads you to the water, as you can see. Look. Wow, and awesome. So we're gonna be walking this way, y'all. Look. This is the bridge that everyone was talking about, even on Hardhead Woody's channel. Look. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, look at the tree branches over there. Look at all the trees. Look. Look at the leaf. Look at the leaf. Look. Look. Oops, sorry. There's something on the camera. Let me just clean it up real quick. Look. Right, let's get going. Come on. Look. Wow. Look. Also, when you guys feel exhausted, look. Let's just sit and relax. Right, let's get going. Come on. Let me move the camera. As you can see, this bridge is a little creaky sometimes and a little bouncy, as you can know. So listen, you see I'm walking on the bridge, right? Listen, look, right here. See? And there's only 3 wooden planks placed. One there, one here, and one there. Well, listen. Look. So it's a little bouncy, but let's take a moment and look at the view. Look at that. As you can see, there's also another path as well. So look. Oh. Whoops. Ooh. Look. Don't you just want to swim in the water? It cleans up so dirty. I'm a dirty Mario. Look. Wow. Sorry, so let's move the camera. Ooh. We're almost made it to the end, guys. Look. Oh my god, this bridge is a little creaky. But that's gonna be the end of this bridge. So as you can see, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. So please make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Smack it. And also, I also got inspired by Hardhead Woody to make these videos because he does ASMR like these in the woods. So I was like, you know what? Why won't I try one? So I did it. Well, anyways, guys, this is the bridge. Hope you guys like it. Well, anyways, that's gonna be the end of the video. Hardheadmario out.